For thousands of years, humans looked at the sun blazing above, the stars sparkling at night, and the warm flicker of fire, and wondered the same thing. What exactly is light? One of the earliest answers came from a Greek philosopher named Empedocles. He imagined that our eyes worked like lanterns, shooting out tiny beams of light. Wherever those beams touched, we could see. To him, vision was like a flashlight shining from within us. Strange to us today, but in his time, it was a bold and creative idea. A few centuries later, another Greek thinker, Euclid, took a different approach. He thought of light in the language of geometry. To Euclid, light traveled in perfectly straight lines. Using this idea, he explained how mirrors reflect images and why shadows form so sharply. His theory didn't explain what light was, but it gave rules for how light behaved. Rules that worked surprisingly well. But centuries later, during the Islamic Golden Age, a scholar named Ibn al-Haytham, also known as Al-Hazen, asked a piercing question. If light really comes out of our eyes, why can't we see in complete darkness? Think about it. If vision worked by beams from our eyes, then even in a pitch-black cave, we should still see. But we don't. Al-Hazen proposed a new and brilliant answer. Light doesn't come from the eyes. Instead, it comes from objects themselves. The sun, a lamp, a candle. These sources send light outward, and when that light enters our eyes, we see. For the first time, vision was explained not as something that leaves us, but as something that reaches us. This was a turning point. From eyes that shine beams to objects that send light into our eyes. The mystery of light was slowly being unraveled. But the question was far from solved. Because even if light enters our eyes, one puzzle still remained. What is light made of? Is it a stream of tiny particles? Or is it something else entirely? This mystery would pass from one generation of thinkers to the next, until one man, centuries later, used a simple glass prism to change the debate forever. Next episode, Newton's prism and the particle of light. If you enjoyed this journey into the history of light, don't forget to subscribe to the Equation Lab and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next episode.